Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Vanessa at the Let's Go Crafty Girl channel. So today I'm gonna do a shop with me at the Dollar Tree, and I hope y'all consider in subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to like and hit that bell notification so you don't miss out on any of my new content. So let's go in there and see what they got. Hey guys, I made it inside Dollar Tree, so I want to show y'all cleaning products to buy. So let's start off over here with the dish soap, the Ajax, the vinegar and lime, the orange, the bleach alternative, all Dawn's. There's another Ajax. Got the Ajax charcoal, the Palmolive dish soaps, and then there's all the Palmolives. Then you got the Dawn way up there. Some more Dawns. More Palmolive. Then you've got, this one's the best one. Then you got all the Palmolives there. More. Gain. Palmolive antibacterial. And if you have a dishwasher, the Finish are awesome. Also the Cascades. Moving on to cleaning products, the Limaways are awesome. The Lysol brand, also the Works. You got the Ajax and the Comet, the glass cleaner, the Bang, got Clorox up there. And all these toilet products here, the drop-in tablets. These work good as well. The bathroom cleaners. Toilet stuff. All of these are pretty good. They're oxygen orange stain remover cleaner things. These are really good as well. It really works on all products and surfaces. You also have the furniture polish in orange or lemon. You got the Clorox. Let's see. You have Fabulosos, Lysol, Pine Sol, Clorox. You got the Ajax. And you also have the small ones down here, the Tide, the Gain detergent. Sorry guys, I'm trying to see. Okay. So we got the Fab detergent. Then the Dollar Tree brand. These are also really good. They are these really help your clothes smell way better. And then you have the fabric softeners, Extra, the Gain, and all the other ones there. They do sell Bounce, Suavitel, Breezy, and the gain. Those as well, saw those. So yeah, it's a big roll. Don't forget to get your sponges to clean your surfaces. All those sponges there. These work really good right here. 6 to a pack. Scrub buddy. The Brillo 8 packs. The quick erasers. And we also have the gloves there, so when you're cleaning, your hands don't get all dirty. We also have the microfiber towels, and they also have your setup here. You could turn your mop stick into the microfiber duster, into a broom and a mop, and just all that awesome stuff there. Sorry guys, it's really hot in here. And you got your spray bottles, your toilet paper, got the Scott, and just a bunch of organizer stuff here. Now, let's see what else that there could be over here. Let's see. Everything's the same at the hair accessory. I'm looking for those sprays. Those hair protectant sprays. My friend wanted one, but I can't find anymore. Nope, they're all gone. These are really cool. I want to come back and get a handful. Look at these candles with the pom-poms. Also, these. House Full of Love. Let's see. Look at these mirrors. Oops, I looked crazy. Sorry, guys. This one's my favorite. And what are these frames? Wood. Alright. Let's go to the, I have DVDs, so be on the lookout for that. Oh, look at this cute Christmas bag. They're so cute. You got your calendars, My Little Pony. So cute. Oh, that's so cute. What's on this side? Just a bunch of Christmas stuff. Look at that. A dentist kit. Whoa, that's so cool. Anyways, guys, thanks for joining me on this shop with me. Yeah, so I hope y'all like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Oh my gosh, look. I like that. Wow. Some of these cans are so cute. Bye, guys.